Hi, Jojo.
Ayun,
Basta.
buti. Yung tanong ng lahat dito, kamusta ka na ngayon? Ito yung first press con mo after the controversy. Anong pakiramdam?
Which controversy?
Kung ano yung nasa isip mo.
Ano sinasabi mo? Wala akong alam dyan. Yeah, this is the first time I think I've been in front of the media since the controversy na sinasabi mo. It's I was expecting na baka may questions about that today. I prepared myself mentally when I woke up. And I looked at myself in the mirror, baka may questions about that. But okay lang, it's been great. Tuloy ang laban. The show must go on. Things happen. That happened. Pero that doesn't mean I'm stopping or giving up. Again, it was an unfortunate circumstance, to say the least. Pero it feels great to be in front of the press again and doing press cons again for Viva.
But in all fairness, ikaw yung may pinakamagandang feedback tungkol sa interview sa ni Boy Abunda.
Yes, I interviewed. Thank you, Jojo. Yeah, nag-interview ako kay Boy Abunda and he's really a great interviewer. So parang I felt like it was a safe place for me to talk about the scandal. I have to say it. To talk about the scandal, and I was able to explain it, just to explain what exactly happened. Walang sugarcoating, walang beating around the bush. Diretso ako sa point eh. Kasi, para sabihin ng totoo, I don't want to spend the whole press con talking about this kasi yung focus natin is the film, but the law was broken, na-videohan ako sa moment yan without my knowledge. So I just wanted to explain it in a very factual way, and being someone that didn't do anything wrong, I felt like I was able to explain that message kay Boy Abunda ng maayos.
Okay, thank you. Going back to the movie,